Now what happens is, then you ignore your heart and you concentrate only on your mind. Of course, mind is very important. This is a gift from God. And we use this mind to acquire knowledge. But on the other hand, heart is also very important. We use our mind to acquire worldly knowledge, which we can also call as acquired knowledge. And the way we have been, we live our life, the way we have been trained, we think that our mind is supreme. But the problem with the mind is that it is always influenced by our ego. And we don't understand and we don't realize this. Giving a chance to your ego to influence yourself. This creates an imbalance in your life. And this, I was referring to this major problem in the world today, and this is because of this imbalance. If you look at people's lives, there is a big imbalance, and it is due to this imbalance that people have been behaving in a very erratic way. If you look at the lives of people just 20, 30, 40 years ago, if you think about your own childhood, or if you talk to your parents, you realize that they didn't have all these material possessions, they didn't have all these facilities, but there was much more happiness. They had more time for themselves, they had more time for their families, and life was much more peaceful. And now, in spite of having all these material possessions, people are very unhappy. People are very dissatisfied with their life, which simply proves that material possessions cannot give you happiness. Otherwise, today, everyone should have been more happier, because if you compare with the past, everyone has more in terms of material possessions. So this is a very simple fact, and if you carefully think about life, you can easily understand this. But it's very interesting that people can't understand this fact, and they are continuing to give importance to the worldly life. I mentioned about the mind. On the other hand, the heart is the main faculty that you use for your spiritual existence. It is through the heart that you receive a completely different kind of knowledge, inner knowledge or revealed knowledge, which comes directly to your heart. And it is through this knowledge that you develop your spiritual existence. And if you can do that, then you will be able to create a balance between your physical and spiritual existence, and then you will really have a meaningful life, a successful life. That will be true success. And how can we do that? You have to work on your heart.